I don't really believe in cardio if you're a combat athlete. And this, I get an argument with Faraz all the time. I believe in efficiency. And people will ask me, why do you run then? I sprint because of the benefits it gives me. I don't believe sprinting will increase my cardio. I just believe that doing something as hard as I can for a small amount of time and taking a break, then repeating it again and again, I think it has huge benefits for me, especially as you get older. And I've been sprinting for a long time. I don't do it for cardio purpose because I believe in fighting, it's all about efficiency. Even though you're in better shape than me, but if I'm more efficient than you, you'll get tired before I do.